Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 学 step by step. I will write it in standard scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's get started. 学 means to study, to learn. 学习 to learn. For example, he is learning 2 foreign languages. He is learning 2 foreign languages.他在学习2种2外国语 foreign languages. 他在学习2种外国语。He is learning 2 foreign languages. 他在学习2种外国语。他在学习2种外国语。学 in cursive. 学 to study, to learn. 学习 to learn. He is learning 2 foreign languages. 他在学习2种外国语。Please comment any words or sentence with Chinese character 学. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.